Number 1. The 1977 Pontiac Lemons, priced at $10,500, located in Rainbow City, Alabama, equipped with a 350 engine and an automatic transmission. Overall, the car is in fairly good condition with a well-maintained and original interior featuring a signature red color that complements the exterior. Pontiac rally wheels are fitted with new BFG tires, giving it a classic yet sporty look. The engine has undergone several upgrades, including an Edelbrock intake with a 4-barrel carburetor, along with a camshaft and lifter replacement using an RV cam for better performance. A dual exhaust system enhances the engine's aggressive sound. The frame remains in good condition, but there are some bubbles on the body indicating potential rust beneath the paint. Despite some signs of aging, this car remains an appealing choice for collectors or classic car enthusiasts looking for a light project with improved performance. Number 2. The 1962 Ford Fairlane 500, priced at $5,000, located in Cleveland, Ohio. The car is in original condition and has not undergone major modifications. As a garage find, it has been stored for a long time but still runs, brakes, and functions properly. Overall, the body remains solid with minor surface rust, while the undercarriage, including the rear frame and trunk, remains strong and clean. It is powered by a 260 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 2-speed Ford-O-Matic automatic transmission, and also features power steering and manual brakes. The engine was previously restored before the previous owner stored it, and the fuel tank has been replaced. Several components have been refreshed, including newly chromed front and rear bumpers, a new fuel pump, power steering hoses, and new headlight bulbs. The interior is red with white accents and remains in decent condition, though it requires some attention, especially on the rear seats. With an affordable price, this car is an excellent candidate for a light restoration project for classic car enthusiasts. Number 3. The 1973 Dodge Dart Swinger, priced at $6,000, located in Ridgewood, New York. It is in excellent condition with only 21,000 original miles. Powered by a 318 V8 engine, the car is equipped with power steering, power disc brakes, air conditioning, and a heater, all of which function perfectly. The exterior is green, featuring a solid rust-free body, though the paint could use some polishing for a shinier finish. The vinyl top has slight wrinkling on one side. The interior remains original with well-preserved green vinyl seats, door panels, and dashboard. The speedometer shows the actual mileage, and all gauges work properly. The current owner recently replaced the wheels and tires and removed the bumperettes, which were considered less appealing. Additionally, missing emblems will soon be reinstalled. The car is reported to drive smoothly without issues, making it ready for use or collection. Number 4. The 1965 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $9,000, located in Phil, Georgia. This is a classic vehicle that underwent restoration some time ago, but has been well preserved. Its gold paint remains glossy and the chrome is in good condition, adding to its elegant and classic appeal. The interior is nearly flawless, with brown and orange seats that remain tidy and comfortable. The 327 SBC engine is still powerful and responsive, paired with a smooth 350 transmission. The car has also received several upgrades, including front disc brakes for better stopping power, a new exhaust system to enhance sound performance, a new carburetor, and a new battery for improved reliability. The 20-inch chrome wheels look modern with no signs of corrosion, giving the car an aggressive and stylish appearance. This Impala is in great driving condition, though minor fixes are needed, such as a small crack in the windshield, a light oil pan gasket leak, and some adjustments to the hood. However, overall it is ready for long drives and would make a great addition to any collection. Number 5. The 1965 Ford Galaxy 500, priced at $7,500, located in Jefferson, Georgia. This car had been modified into a vintage NASCAR tribute for street use. A 302 engine with an aggressive camshaft has been installed, delivering strong power with a distinct sound. It features a 3-speed manual floor shift transmission and has undergone extensive mechanical improvements, including the braking system, clutch, as well as the installation of an HEI ignition system and a 1-wire alternator. While structurally sound with no major frame issues, there are some rust spots, particularly around the taillights, lower door sections, and trunk lip with some floor patches. The interior has been simplified in race car style, featuring a roll cage, bucket seats, and aftermarket gauges. Overall, this is a unique street-legal vehicle that stands out at automotive events and on the road. However, it is not ideal for originality seekers, as it is more of a tribute race car than a full restoration. Number 6. The 1973 Buick Riviera, priced at $9,800, located in Fort Worth, Texas. This is a classic car that remains in decent condition for restoration. Originally from California, before relocating 3 years ago, most of the body remains solid despite surface rust due to being stored under a tarp. The paint has faded, particularly on the roof, which also shows signs of rust. There's a small dent on the driver's side rear pillar and some scratches on the body. The interior is well preserved with only 2 tears on the driver's seat, but replacement upholstery is included. The car still runs well, though the AC compressor needs replacement for the cooling system to function again. The wheels and exterior details remain original, with some emblems and additional accessories available separately. With 130,000 miles on the odometer, this car has great restoration potential, as most of its structure and engine remain solid. Number 7. The 1973 Pontiac Lemons, priced at $7,000, located in La Vista, Nebraska, a classic model that is still in fairly good condition for its age. Based on the description, this car is a true survivor, meaning it remains original with some repairs and upgrades. The interior is well maintained, with the dashboard and door panels in good shape, though there is minor wear on some areas. The engine appears complete but needs tuning, such as replacing spark plugs and wires for optimal performance. The exterior body remains solid with no rust, but some areas show signs of aging, especially the trim and vinyl top, which has started to crack and peel. While not a show car, it is a solid candidate for a restoration project or full customization build. Overall, it serves as a great base for classic car enthusiasts looking to preserve or modify this historic vehicle. Number 8. The 1985 Ford Bronco II, priced at $10,000, located in Nashville, Tennessee. It has undergone an excellent restoration and modification. The exterior has been repainted in a classic blue and white combination and features a new chrome front bumper, chrome side mirrors, and a custom grille with a handmade plastic emblem, along with LED headlights for a more aggressive and modern look. The interior has been completely revamped with high-quality saddle leather upholstery on the seats and door panels, while the headliner and door inserts are made from genuine wool sourced from Pendleton Woolen Mills, adding a unique and luxurious touch. A new wooden steering wheel complements the interior, although the horn requires repair after the steering wheel replacement. The vehicle also features electric door and trunk locks with 2 key fobs. At the rear, a handmade leather spare tire cover purchase from Etsy adds to the vehicle's refined aesthetic. The engine is in good condition, maintaining its classic appearance. Overall, this Bronco II is a perfect blend of classic restoration and modern upgrades executed with great attention to detail. Number 9. The 1971 AMC Javelin SST, priced at $6,000, located in Rentham, Massachusetts. This is still a project car, but is already running, driving, and stopping. The original 360 Ci 4-barrel engine and 727 TorqueFlite automatic transmission are still in place, with the odometer showing 100,000 miles. Based on the pictures, the exterior is in the restoration process with primer on the body, and some areas need additional work, including minor body repairs and a full repaint. The interior is fairly clean and in decent condition, though some minor electrical work is still needed under the dashboard. The rear seat is in good shape, while the steering wheel has been replaced with an aftermarket model. The trunk is empty and has some light rust, indicating the need for repairs. The undercarriage appears solid with a new exhaust system installed. Some chrome trim pieces are stored in the trunk, and the car comes with various extra parts, including front and rear bumpers and a front fender. Overall, this Javelin has great potential once the final restoration touches are completed. Number 10. The 1959 Edsel Ranger, priced at $10,000, located in Waxhaw, North Carolina. This is a classic vehicle that has undergone an almost complete restoration. Powered by a 292 V8 engine paired with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, the car remains in good running and driving condition. The exterior has been repainted in a combination of Ford Geranium and Ford Colonial White, giving it the elegant signature look of the 1950s. The interior retains its classic charm, though there are a few tears in the seats that have been there since it was acquired. The engine bay is clean and well-maintained, while the trunk is also in good condition, featuring a checkered pattern liner typical of the era. While not perfect, this Edsel Ranger is a rare car with significant historical value, making it highly desirable for collectors or Edsel enthusiasts. Number 11. The 1969 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $5,000, located in Bridgewater, New Jersey. This car is a rat rod style. Overall, it remains fairly solid but requires some repairs. The exterior is painted in matte black, giving an aggressive look, though it has some flaws, such as a missing sunroof. It is powered by the original Ford 429 Thunderjet big block engine, according to provided information, but it may need some work, particularly on the carburetor system. The interior is quite worn, with seats and door panels showing significant wear and damage. While the car runs, stops, and drives, it would be safer to tow it home first to assess its condition before regular use. Overall, this is a solid classic project for enthusiasts looking to restore or modify it further. Number 12. The 1969 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Sedan 4D, priced at $6,000, located in Griffin, Georgia. Currently in the restoration process, the body remains mostly intact with faded green paint, especially around the trunk and chrome trim areas. The interior is original but needs refurbishment, with loose door panels and some worn-out parts due to age. Mechanically, the car has undergone significant improvements, including a rebuilt 350 V8 engine with mild camshaft, along with the installation of various new components, such as a distributor, water pump, spark plug wires, Edelbrock AV2 carburetor, battery, radiator, and a new braking system that includes drums, a distribution block, and front brake hoses. Rally wheels with new tires enhance its aggressive look. The odometer reads approximately 10,000 miles, which is likely original. Number 13. The 1969 Plymouth Fury, priced at $3,500, located in Fairview, Tennessee. Currently a restoration project, the exterior has been spray painted black to prevent further rust, but this is likely just a temporary solution. The 440 engine with a 727 transmission can start using a small fuel tank and has received a new thermoquad carburetor, a new distributor, and new spark plug wires. The tires are also new and mounted on old-school 15-inch Eagle alloy wheels. However, the interior is in terrible condition, with torn and heavily damaged seats as well as a floor that appears rusted. The engine bay is dirty, with loose wires scattered around, and the drum brake system needs repair. Additionally, the car has manual steering, making it quite heavy to drive without power steering. The trunk shows signs of damage and accumulated debris, with several parts needing replacement. Despite requiring a full restoration, this car is relatively rare, especially as a two-door Fury model. It has a clean title and is not available for trade. Number 14. The 1975 Plymouth Duster. Priced at $3,000, located in Kings Mountain, Kentucky. The car runs and drives but requires some repairs. The 318 engine is still functional but likely needs tuning, as well as replacing belts and hoses due to prolonged inactivity. The body is relatively solid with minimal rust, but there are structural issues that need attention, such as a rear shackle that requires welding and a trunk floor that needs replacement. The interior is worn, with several damaged or missing components, including the dashboard and rear seats. Some exterior parts also show wear, such as faded paint and cloudy taillights. The car comes with historical plates and a clear title. Number 15. The 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Coupe 2D, priced at $1,000, located in South Hill, Virginia. This vehicle is in extremely poor and neglected condition. The body is rusted throughout with faded paint covered in dirt, and many parts are severely damaged, including a destroyed interior with torn seats full of debris, a rusted dashboard, and a deteriorated steering wheel. The engine appears to have been non-functional for a long time, with the front end showing heavy damage, including a rusted radiator and missing components. The tires are flat and the wheels are rusted, further indicating that the car has been abandoned outdoors for years. This vehicle is being sold as a donor car or for parts, as many components can still be used for a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle restoration.